If you agree with me, go to Joe 30330. Help me in this fight. Thank you very much.